obviously you only get to see me in my glamorous clothes. So I'm just going to show you how this boiling water tap works. In fact, I'm going to do it in two steps. The first step I'm going to do is show you how to clean it. And the reason this is, you have to clean it about every month or two. I mean, honestly, it's not terribly difficult, but the bottom line is mains water supply's got tiny little bits of grit in it, and this thing traps it. And if you let the grit build up, then it can put pressure on it and it doesn't work. Anyway, so here we'll do cleaning first, and then I'll show you how it works. So to clean it, that you just unscrew the filter at the bottom here. It'll all come out, and I've actually just cleaned it this morning, so you can't see any grot in it. But let me just do this. So there'll be a little rubber washer. There's the filter, and there's the shroud again. So what you'll find is in this thing here, it gets little black bits of grit that just come in the mains water supply around here. It's for free, you don't have to pay for it, it's brilliant. Okay, so I'm going to put it back together again. So here's
clean that.
Yes, I just literally in fact, look, you can see there, I did it this morning, there's a little bit black bits of grot. And
it stops the tap from running.
Yeah, it just, okay. So back together, so the filter goes in first, then the little rubber grommet just sits on top, and then you literally just screw it back on top of the tap like that, that's it. Okay, so to use this thing, so I mistakenly called it a hot water tap. It is definitely not a hot water tap, and if you're not familiar with these things, it can be a bit of a shock, because what you do not do is stick your finger underneath it to wait for it to run hot, because look. So to deploy it, you on the tap, you push down on the tap, that's like the child lock, and then you just turn it fractionally counterclockwise. So push down and then watch. Right, now boiling. So that is boiling straight away. Okay, and then just turn the tap off.